When it comes to electric vehicles, safety is a top concern, and BYD's Sealion 7 just proved it has what it takes. In the latest round of crash and safety tests by Euro NCAP, the 2025 BYD Sealion 7 earned a 5-star rating, which is the highest score a vehicle can receive. In real-world terms, that means this all-electric SUV did more than just tick the boxes. In the adult occupant protection category, it scored 87%. The structure held up extremely well in frontal offset tests, with excellent protection for the head, legs, and chest. The side barrier and side pole tests also returned maximum points. The only weak point was slight chest compression for rear passengers in the full-width frontal test, which BYD will likely fine-tune going forward. For child passengers, the Sealion 7 earned 93%. Both the 6-year-old and 10-year-old crash dummies were well protected in all positions. There are ISOFIX mounts in the second-row seats and a child presence detection system. So if someone forgets their child in the back seat, the car will send out an alert. Vulnerable road user safety came in at 76%. The front end of the vehicle did well overall, but some areas near the windshield pillars offered only marginal protection. Cyclist and pedestrian detection worked reliably thanks to the advanced autonomous emergency braking system. In the safety assist category, the Sealion 7 scored 79%. That includes driver monitoring for distraction and fatigue, intelligent speed assistance, lane keeping systems, and automatic emergency braking with recognition of cars, pedestrians, and cyclists. Every seating position includes seatbelt reminders, and it also has emergency call and multi-collision braking features built in. All in all, the 2025 BYD Sealion 7 is not just about electric performance. It is a serious contender in terms of safety too. Whether you are driving solo or with family, this SUV brings peace of mind. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any updates.